Today I'm going to show you how to use Inspect Element in Google Chrome in the easiest way possible. This is a super useful browser tool that lets you view and temporarily edit web page code so you can understand how websites are built, test changes, or simply explore text, images, buttons, HTML, CSS, and even JavaScript. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can use any computer version of Chrome for this, and once it's open, you're ready to begin. Inspect Element is built right into Chrome, so you do not need to install anything extra. Next, open any website you want to inspect. This could be a news site, a blog, an online store, or even your own website if you want to test changes. The great thing about Inspect Element is that it allows you to explore what is behind the page visually and technically. You can inspect text to see how it is displayed, check images to learn how they are placed, look at buttons to understand their structure, and view the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that make the page work. Now that the web page is open, go anywhere on the page and right-click. A menu will appear, and from that menu, click Inspect. As soon as you do that, Chrome Developer Tools will open, usually on the side or bottom of your browser window. This panel is where all the magic happens. You'll see the page's code, styles, and elements that make up the website. If you want to inspect a specific part of the page, like a headline, a button, or an image, you can also right-click directly on that item and choose Inspect. That will highlight the exact code connected to the thing you clicked. This is very helpful if you want to see how a certain piece of content is built or styled. Inside Developer Tools, you can expand and collapse different parts of the HTML, hover over elements to see them highlighted on the page, and even make temporary changes to text or styles. For example, you can double-click text in the Elements panel and type something new. You can also change colors, sizes, spacing, and more using the CSS Styles section. Just remember, these changes are temporary and only visible on your screen until you refresh the page. This makes Inspect Element great for learning web design, debugging issues, and testing small edits before making them permanent on a real website. It's also a popular tool for developers, marketers, and curious users who want to understand what is happening behind the scenes. If you ever want to close it, just click the X in the Developer Tools panel or press the shortcut to toggle it off. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to open Inspect Element in Chrome and use it to explore web page code. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.